Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abisola. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make turkey pepper soup. It's rainy season here in Nigeria, and this is the type of thing you need to keep warm. So let me show you how to make correct and delicious turkey pepper soup that you absolutely love. So you want to start by grilling your pepper. You can do this on the stove like I'm doing like this, or you can do this in your air fryer or oven. I just decided to freestyle with this. So here you need habanero pepper, you need tomato, one tomato please, and you can do without the tomato. It depends on how hot you want this pepper soup to be. And then one tatashe, which is red bell pepper, and onions. Now you want to grill it for both sides, like you're roasting for your jollof rice. Then once that is done, set aside. Now put your turkey in your pot, and then you add some onions, seasoning, and you want to season to your preference. Now I added a bit of curry, a little bit of curry. Please don't let the curry be too much. Don't let it dominate the taste of the pepper soup. And then I added some salt, and then I stirred together. I allow it to start cooking gradually before I went ahead to add water. So turkey, I'm using turkey wings, and you can use any part of turkey, and you can also apply this to chicken pepper soup. But for chicken pepper soup, I'm going to drop the recipe very soon. That one I prefer to use live chicken instead of frozen chicken, but this is frozen turkey that I'm using for this recipe. Now the next thing I did was to blend my roasted pepper. Yes, the pepper I grilled or roasted earlier, I blended it till it was very smooth. Now let's check on our turkey to see if it is well properly cooked. Once my turkey is properly cooked like this, I added the blended pepper mix that I blended earlier, and then I added some pepper soup spice. You know we're making pepper soup now, so you need to add your pepper soup spice. I'm going to drop a recipe of how to make your own homemade pepper soup spice. I made some months ago, and I'm going to share it on this in this video. I'm going to share on my channel. Anyways guys, now add sweet corn. You can use yam, you can use potato, you can use you can even use agidi. Yes, you can use agidi to use your pepper soup, but this one I'm using sweet corn. Honestly, if you've not tried pepper soup and sweet corn, you are missing. No, now I added some cayenne pepper, and then I added some Cameroon pepper. One thing is that if you want the taste of your pepper soup to be very delicious, just add Cameroon pepper. Cameroon pepper is one of the game changer. And also, when you are blending your pepper mix, make sure you are using yellow habanero pepper too. Honestly, your soup is going to taste very delicious. At this point, our pepper soup is ready to be served, and honestly, your neighbors, everybody around the room is like, what is this person cooking? Because the aroma alone and the taste is even like very delicious. Now I'm just going to serve this in my bowl, and then I'm going to enjoy this with any drink of choice or just water, anything, just enjoy. So guys, who is trying this recipe, and don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, and see you in my next video. Bye.